This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Welcome home. A newer build in Eagle Harbor, a short walk to the neighborhood amenities. This home offers a private backyard, and is situated on a deep cul-de-sac, making entertaining and daily life enjoyable. The open floor plan and zero carpet makes this home easy to maintain, an office that easily could be an additional bedroom space, a dining room, gathering room and morning room. The spacious kitchen takes center stage with gas stove. The chef of the home will enjoy the ample storage and counter space. The flexibility continues upstairs to the large bedrooms and oversized loft that could easily turn into an additional bedroom as well. Professionally painted, and custom molding throughout. A new rear storage shed custom matched to the home, and a partially fenced yard and deck will be enjoyed by all. The HOA amenities include pool, clubhouse, walking paths, tennis, mini golf, fishing pond, and pools west/water park.